My name is Brandon, and today we'll be talking about gene editing and its profound effects on beating unbeatable diseases. Let's get started.
Now, what is gene editing, and why is it so important? Gene editing is the process of modifying our genetics, allowing genetic material to be added, removed, or altered at particular locations in the genome. Theoretically, this could allow us to cure and beat the worst of genetic diseases, among endless other possibilities.
To simplify, here we have a giraffe and a cheetah. Each animal has their specific strengths and weaknesses. But what if we could give a giraffe a pair of cheetah legs? Ideally, this would result in an animal with the height of a giraffe and the speed of a cheetah. This new animal would now possess two major strengths which could dramatically benefit its life and could end up saving it. Now, what if this new animal were to become sick and was unable to utilize its height? With the addition of the cheetah legs, it would now be able to survive and continue its life. While this is not exactly how it works for humans, genetic combinations like these are the gold that scientists are searching after. Unfortunately, it's much more complicated than swapping these poorly drawn animals.
Since its earliest discovery in the late 1980s, the CRISPR-Cas9 DNA sequence has been the key opening the door to gene editing. The CRISPR-Cas9 is a DNA sequence of naturally occurring genome editing system. For example, when we get infected with a virus, the CRISPR-Cas9 arrays allow our bacteria to remember the viruses or closely related ones. If the viruses attack again, the bacteria produce RNA segments from the CRISPR arrays to target the virus's DNA. The bacteria then use Cas9 or a similar enzyme to cut the DNA apart, which disables the viruses. Similarly, scientists mimic this naturally occurring genome editor and create their own synthetic version. In combination with DNA repair machinery, scientists can create and add new genes to a person's genetic makeup.
Here we have a garden, and much like a body with a bad gene, there's a pesky weed stealing nutrients and damaging the garden as a whole. But what if we were to remove the weed from the garden? Let's come back in a few weeks and see the effects this has. As we can see, without the weed holding it back, the garden grew to its beautiful, fully grown potential.
Much like the garden's case of weeds, our bodies possess bad genes and genetic diseases which damage and harm the system. There are hundreds of diseases that have been dubbed incurable, but with the hope of gene editing, it gives individuals afflicted, like me, the chance at a normal life. I'm Brandon Winegarden, and thanks for watching.